Welcome to TechSpeed YouTube channel. In this video, I will bring you 3 best voice recording apps that you can get free on Play Store. Okay, let's move to our first app. This is Voice Recorder app. I know the name is a little bit weird because I am reviewing Voice Recorders app and this app has same name of it. Don't worry, I will put the link in the description so you can download this app easily on Play Store. This app gets third place of my rankings because recording quality isn't so good as other two apps. However, it will give you good recording quality than other apps available in Play Store. For my rankings, I am mainly considered only recording quality, not features. Also, all 3 apps have some same features. I will talk about them later on this video. Now you can see when you are recording something, this app shows current file size of your record and it is unique feature for this app. Okay, that's it. Let's talk about our second app. This is Smart Recorder app. It has better recording quality than the previous app and very user-friendly interface. Now you can see when you are recording something, this app interface shows some visual effects according to your voice. Both of these apps sometimes shows ads, but you can remove them with in-app purchase. After the recording, you can change your recording's name very easily in here. And you can save your recordings with name whatever you like. Also, with the skipping silence on the fly feature, you can shorten recordings by omitting relative silence. It allows you, for example, to catch night sleep talks or maybe some snoring. You can go to the settings of this app and change the quality of your recording. It ranges 8 kHz to 44 kHz. If you want a very good recording quality, then select 44 kHz option, but it will take up a lot of space from your phone storage. Okay, then we'll talk about the next feature. It is microphone adjustment. In here you can adjust your gain factor manually or automatically. Okay, now let's talk about what is gain. Gain is the main reason for increasing your input signal. So make some noise and determine the maximum gain factor. Okay, let's move to our third and final app. This is the app that got the first place of my ranking because of this amazing recording quality. And this is available in the Play Store as Dolby On. The Dolby sound system is the most important part of this app and it will enhance the mic in many ways. And this app automatically recognizes the frequency response curve and dynamic of the music from every channel. So you can get rich and crispy sound of your every recordings. And noise reduction, de-essing and fade in fade out help elevate only the sound that you want. This expand sound feature gives more space to your recordings and dynamic EQ and stereo sound system. It will improve your clarity and tone. They automatically equalize your audio levels for prevent distortion and keep your volume in range. Also, you can choose this lossless audio system. With this, you can record 48 kHz and 16-bit wave files. As I before said, you should have enough space to record these uncompressed high-quality files. Now you can see some example. Default 5-minute song approximately 7.5 MB, but lossless 5-minute songs approximately 30 MB. So you can see this difference. Also, they provide recording tips to improve your recording quality. After touch these recording tips, you can go to their website and refer them. If you need countdown before recording, you can select this countdown option. In addition to voice recording, there is video recording and live streaming options. Also, this app gives cloud storage to store your recordings without any limitation. So you can categorize your recordings under 4 categories. Okay guys, I can guarantee this is the best voice recording app currently available in Play Store. You can download it and enjoy it. Also, I will put some examples with Dolby On and Dolby Off.
My whole world. I know I won't complain. She can offer me solace. I know I'll do the same. She can bat those eyes and get away with the crime.
Hi guys, I'm Bhavri Basanti.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
To change your